In this quick video, I will show you how to buy Hedera on Binance step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com and log in first, and then go to trade here, click Binance Convert, and you can choose spot wallet or funding wallet. Just click here and then click here and choose what token you are going to convert. So for example, I will choose ADA here and click here, type down HBar and click here, and then now you can type the amount of ADA you want or any token you have. So for example, I will convert all of my ADA into Hedera and then click preview conversion here, and you will see here the rate, the inverse rate, the payment method, and the transaction fees, and then click convert. And as you can see, the transaction was successful. So you can go to your wallet if you want. Just click here, go to fiat and spot, and as you can see, I have now a Hedera on my fiat and spot wallet. And if you have any questions about how to buy Hedera on Binance, leave a comment below.